Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back. Sick, of course, sick as a dog. Every time I turn around, I'm sick. I'm going to stop turning around, okay? This is ghetto. Being sick is ghetto. If this is your first time here, subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Today we have the shake leftovers and some add-ins. I knew this dog was going to do that. Every time I start the video, she starts crying. Quiet as a mouse until I start the video. So basically today I have the leftovers from yesterday. You know what, I'm going to put this down here. I have the leftovers from yesterday. I had got, they call it a mini combo. I got, half a pound of I got black mussels, half a pound of shrimp, half a pound of crawfish, and it come with, I added sausage, which is a half a pound, and it comes with corn and potatoes. But what I added in, because I already had seafood home, I added in 2 boiled eggs, a lobster tail, and a snow crab. So I boiled that, steamed that, then ended up throwing in the other stuff with the sauce. But when I added it to the sauce, I added a little bit of butter, a little bit of garlic. I'm going to use this bag for the seafood, or the 2 bags. Yeah. So if it look a little juicy, that's why. Yeah, I added butter, vegetable oil. I gotta put that in there. Vegetable oil, some minced garlic, some, I can't really think of what else, but yeah. So the sausages is pork, turkey, and beef. The sauce was the shake sauce, which is the house sauce, and I had medium because since I was, sick, I needed something spicy. I'm trying to get this together so I could do some type of thumbnail. Look at this. This was the colossal. This was the colossal snow crab leg that I was talking about from when I got them from the market. All right. I don't know what I want my thumbnail to be, but it's going to be something. And this little thing is sticking out, so I gotta put that there. All right. I'm starting with this. Okay. A little bacon. How everybody been? I haven't had snow crab since the last seafood boil I did, which was sometime in February, going towards the end. I used to have seafood every week, but I've been trying to do other mukbangs besides seafood. So I do my little taco, spicy noodles. I need to start doing challenges and stuff, but the challenges on here be insane. They be having don't worry, I'm not eating a doo-doo. They be having all types of crazy challenges. I be like, I don't know if I want to do that. I seen a challenge it said 8 wings in 8 minutes. I'm like, I probably only be able to do 5. Because it's like, I'm not really a fast eater. Like, I eat really slow. But then again, if I'm hungry enough, I'm eating fast. I like to take off the little claws. And people be eating crawfish all types of ways. I just be, I don't know. I got some peach Minute Maid. I had Pepsi that I brought home, but I didn't, it was a mess. So, perfect boiled egg. The Shake has some of the best steamed shrimp I have ever had in Philly. Like, I don't know what they be doing with them, how they cook them perfect, or what kind they be, but these joints be busting. And it's like they be so firm. Like, yesterday, I ain't gonna lie, I started to get the shrimp with the head on. But I was like, I was like, nah. Black mussel. I said, let me do a little bang for the tube. You know? Whatever I did to the sauce, I did add a little Cajun seasoning. Whatever I done did to it, it brought it back to life. Because it still tastes like it did yesterday. Just, it still tastes fresh to me. I started to put onions in there, but I said no. They gonna take too long to like saute. I like crunchy onions, but not in a boil. Burp. Excuse me. I only worked 3 days this week. Thank God, because Lord knows I be loving my time away from work. It's insane. I used to love going to work. Happy, jolly. Nope, that all changed very quickly. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna get in the shower after this, and I'm gonna lay down and relax. Probably take me a little nap, because I am sleepy. And I had a long day. I ain't gonna touch nothing. That's how I was done, but I'm not gonna even speak on the peasants around me these days. They not even worth it no more. Like, everybody giving fan behavior. Everybody. And it kills me because it breaks my heart to see somebody that you loved at one point become a Joe biter. It ain't thorough. Excuse me. Snow crab meat is just too good. It's sweet. It's just perfect. Okay, with this, I should have cut the top. It's like when you cut it, it makes it easier. Oop. There's still more meat in here, baby. What is y'all like? I always spit. I don't know what is wrong with me. See? I look crazy right now, looking for me. Got a vein in here. I guess not to do. I think that's it. That is it. I should have saved the lobster for last. That was too good. Everything is good. It's just like that lobster was just hitting different. I done made a mess. Yeah, I definitely made a mess. All right, y'all. I'm gonna wrap this video up. It's time to clean up and get cleaned up. Plus, people about to start making noise in the background. So, I will see you guys very soon in the next video, sometime this week. You guys stay blessed, stay dangerous, and stay woke. Because the people is out here to get you real bad. So, yeah. All right. Toodaloo.